How you can apply for a WhatsApp template with a WhatsApp native flow or mini app. So you need to ensure that the flow is published, and once the flow is published, you cannot edit it. After this, kindly go to the WhatsApp WABA section, click on the view icon and click on create template with the updated interface. Name your template, select your language, select the category which suits the best. You can have any type of header. In the body, mention something, possibly with some variables. And in the button type, select the WhatsApp native form option. You'll get the option in the native flow with all of the published flows. Select any one, select your welcome screen and add a button text. And after this, submit the template. Now this template was rejected for the reason I had a variable in the end of the template, which is not allowed. Now you can add the simple text again and then click on submit. And if you're editing a template, you can edit it only once within 24 hours. Now the template is approved. Thank you.